Recently, a fan left a comment asking if I could make a tutorial like the channel Atomic Buck. When I opened that channel, I was shocked, my friends. This channel has only 11 videos, and it's already close to 100,000 subscribers. Even crazier? It launched just last month. In only 1 month, it's already hit 10 million views. And every video performs insanely well. Some get tens of thousands, others hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you, for free, how to use AI to make videos just like this, from A to Z. Let's call this niche, How to Survive. You'll notice most of the videos are like, what if this happened? How could you survive using physics and chemistry knowledge? Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't AI content banned from YouTube monetization? Relax, my friend. Take this channel as an example. You'll see the join button. Know what that means? It means the channel has memberships enabled. And if memberships are active, that means the channel is already monetized. So here's my understanding. It's not that YouTube rejects AI content, it's that YouTube rejects low-value, low-quality, mass-produced AI junk. AI is just a tool. Your job is to use it to create valuable, high-quality content. That's your real goal. All right, no more talking in circles. I bet you're dying to see the demo video I made. So, here we go.
The apocalypse hit, your water's poisoned. What do? Watch this. It might save your life. All you need is some scrap metal, a plastic bottle, sand, and charcoal from last night's fire. Cut the bottle in half and flip the top upside down. That's your filter chamber. Pack the bottom with crushed charcoal. It removes toxins. Then add a thick layer of clean sand to trap dirt. Use a scrap metal can as a stand so the water drips safely into a container below. See that? Brown water in, clear water out. This won't make it perfectly sterile, but in a world without taps, it could keep you alive. Want more DIY apocalypse hacks? Hit subscribe before the lights go out.
Well, if you've made it this far, do me a favor. Subscribe, like, and share this video. That way, more creators like you can find it. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Finding ideas. For this step, if you already have ideas, skip ahead. But I'll use ChatGPT-5 to brainstorm topics. You could also use Gemini, totally fine. Open ChatGPT, type in this prompt. Analyze the target channel's content and structure. Just like that, ChatGPT-5 gives results fast. Then I ask it, give me 10 brand new topic titles. And boom, now I have 10 fresh titles. Step 2, craft an engaging script. We all know, a script makes or breaks the video. So let's stay in ChatGPT. For the demo, I'll pick one of those titles. Let's say the first one. Then I type in, please remember your previous analysis, then create a 60s YouTube Shorts script using this title. Start with a strong hook, 003s. Bam! The script is ready. Next step? Images. Step 3. Generate images. First, we need a main character image. For example, Atomic Buck uses a cartoon moose. We can do the same. Pick one consistent cartoon animal, like a fox, dog, or cat. Here, I'll try a cartoon fox. Type in the prompt, and boom. After about 29 seconds, GPT-5 gives detailed prompts for Flux, SD, MidJourney V6, Dolly, etc. You can use whichever AI art tool you prefer. For simplicity, I'll just generate the images directly in GPT-5. Paste the prompt, click the plus button, choose Create Image. Wait a bit, then download to your computer. Now we need scene-by-scene images. Take the whole script and set each sentence as a scene. Paste into ChatGPT, and boom. GPT-5 goes into thinking mode. and returns character prompts plus object prompts. Again, we generate each image, then download them all for editing. Step 4. VoiceOver. If you can do your own voiceover, great. If not, use AI. For this video, I'll use ElevenLabs, specifically the V3 Alpha model. It can add things like pauses, chuckles, even throat clears. Log in and choose text-to-speech. I will choose the Brian voice and select the 11 V3 Alpha model. Paste the script, clean it up a little, add some natural sounds and click Generate. ElevenLabs will give 2 versions. Listen and pick the better one. Step 5. Editing. For editing, I'll use CapCut. Import all the images in the voiceover. Place the VO on the timeline first, then add a white background image. After that, import each scene image and sync them with the voiceover. If the first image has a green background, no problem. Click the image, select Remove BG, choose Chroma Key, pick green from image. Now the background is gone. Do that for all the images. Next, generate subtitles. Pick a style, animation, and adjust colors. After subtitles, add sound effects. Go to audio and pick suitable ones. Background music? Optional. If you want it, I recommend downloading free tracks from YouTube's audio library. Finally, check everything. If it looks good, export the video. And that's it. The video is done. What do you think, my friends? Did you learn something today? Thank you so much for watching. The exact prompts I used are shared in my Discord. You'll find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe. That motivates me to keep making more helpful tutorials. And if you have questions or want me to cover a different tutorial, drop a comment below. See you in the next one. Good luck!